Hello guys, today this is unboxing video and I got those books. This is wait. This is where's the fridge? It's right wait, it's right there. And also I got on the Untold Stories. I I think that's Holy Life and that's I don't know what are those. Yeah, and then I have a dangerous path. See? See? Okay. Now I got Gray Stripes Adventure. This is a gray stripe. This is a gray stripe. I didn't say anything. Okay, wait, don't spoiler it. Okay. Alright, now this is Skyclan the Stranger. After the flood. Are those just adorable? They are. Okay, so this is the end. And then I got this thing for one of the books that I'm probably gonna read. So, bye.